and inclusive inequalities. Okay, so let's look at exclusive and inclusive inequalities. Let's have a better understanding about this aspect of inequalities to help us understand our limits for the independent variable. Should we are given a problem that has to do with inequality in the course of solving our quadratic problem. In exclusive inequalities are direct inequalities like x is greater than 4, x is less than 2, x is greater than minus 2. This type of inequality are called exclusive inequality. Why? In the first inequality here, x is greater than 4 shows that 4 is not a member of x. That is why x is greater than 4. So the numbers or the elements or the values of x will start from numbers that are more than 4. That could be 5. When we are looking at whole number system, that could be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, x is less than 2. This implies that 2 is not a member of x. That is why x is less than 2. So the numbers or the elements of x in this case should be numbers like 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, that way. Here, x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is not an element of x. So numbers that will be elements of x in this case are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Do not forget, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, and 0 is greater than minus 1, minus 2, 1 is greater than 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, that way. So minus 2 is not a member of x because minus 2 is not that in that range. So x will start from minus 1, which is greater than minus 2, 0, 1 to that extent. So quickly, let me just help you understand something. Still in inequality graph, you may be asked to draw the line graph of these different functions here for exclusive. It's simple. Exclusive inequality has open circle, open circle, open circle. So the line graph, since it's greater for the first one, greater arrow will be going forward. So the arrow goes this way. So you write your 4 here and write your x. That is the line graph of this inequality. X is less than 2. Less than is coming backward, so you put your arrow backward and write your 2 and write your x. X is greater than minus 2, you write your minus 2, your arrow goes forward because it's greater, put your x. But do not forget, 4 is not a member of the element, that is why the circle is open. 2 is not a member of the element, that is why the circle is open. Minus 2 is not a member of the element, of the variable, that is why the circle is open. So, but these are the different line graphs for the inequality that we have that is exclusive. So we are done with that part of exclusive inequality. Should you're given a particular problem to solve in your quadratic and you have that given to you, if you say that x is greater than 4, it means that the first number you should write should be 5, not 4. X is less than 2, the first number you should write should be 1, not 2. X is greater than minus 2. The first number you should write should be minus 1 because these numbers 4, 2, and minus 2 are not members of the element or the variable x or the set x. That's why they are called exclusive inequalities. So in our next other class, we shall be looking at inclusive inequalities. Thank you.